toppers or like less average or
Hmm.
below average. Pharmaminds treats every student, each and every student equally. That is what I love about Pharmaminds. They focus on every student, each and every student, be it the topper or an average student or an below average student, and they try to guide everybody, uh, how to improve and what. That is what I love about Pharmaminds. I would like to mention that now. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. Okay, thank
I
you
also
so
want
much.
to mention another thing, sir.
Yeah,
Gita is
please.
the only reason I joined Pharmaminds.
Okay.
Everyone has the same reason. Everyone has the name of
And
Gita.
Jevita, thank you
to
so
be
much.
honest, she's my study companion, sir.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah,
We should,
yeah, I know that. Yeah. Okay, Jevita, I was separate party to you.
Thank you, sir.
This party from will be from my side. Other party you have guys have to country and give me. Okay.
Definitely, sir.
Yeah, chalo. Okay, God bless you guys. Keep it up. Enjoy this achievement. See you soon.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.